We'll start, with DataFrame transformations, Snowpark DataFrame API transformations. Why this? Because I can tell you straight away that to me, this was the most exciting part of Snowpark. You know, we'll just have a quick introduction to Snowpark DataFrame API, where it came from and the history, because yeah, I've been there and I can tell you also that Snowflake will not tell you right away that they inspire themselves from PySpark, other influences they had, and so on. So it's good to establish a good context from the start. Then I will introduce you to basics about DataFrame. Okay, what are the DataFrame selections and especially actions? Yeah, you learn about lazy evaluation, which is a basis of Snowpark DataFrame API. We'll continue to filter and transform data. Joins and sets on data frames. If you're familiar with SQL, yes, you know how joins are performed, but there are major differences here. Clean and sample data with data frames. This lecture will be very, very important because drop NA and fill NA could be some very confusing methods. Data frame functions, yeah. We'll get into this one, the way you can you can call some data frame functions. Yes, data frame aggregations is all about building grouping queries and aggregations like sum, count, max, min, and so on. Look, I've been impressed, because at the exam you may get some very complex queries using window functions. So how to do this? Because it's different, yeah, as you may expect in the DataFrame API. We'll talk about this here.